A federal judge ruling a United States Army soldier accused of selling drugs will stay behind bars, at least for now.
Yeah, Staff Sergeant Juan Gabriel Arona Rodriguez is facing 2 charges related to distributing cocaine.
Investigative reporter Natalie Chuck was in the courtroom today for the staff sergeant's hearing. Natalie, a lot of new information came out today.
Yeah, Jessica and Jacqueline, the judge in this case ruling that there is enough evidence in this case to go to trial. An FBI agent testified today that the half an ounce of cocaine that Arona Rodriguez allegedly sold in front of a Drug Enforcement Administration agent cost $450. But possibly the biggest bombshell, the FBI agent revealing Arona Rodriguez's association with the, quote, underground nightclub the DEA raided more than a week ago.
What federal law enforcement is calling an illegal nightclub in Colorado Springs is now at the center of a federal drug case. A judge listening to arguments from both a prosecutor and defense attorney for hours on Tuesday, weighing whether United States Army Staff Sergeant Juan Gabriel Arona Rodriguez should go to trial and should remain in custody. An FBI agent took the stand in court, revealing the staff sergeant told investigators that his mother-in-law, Virginia Thorne, is the person responsible for this nightclub and others. Sources reviewed this video and confirmed to us that this woman is Thorne. She has shown up to both of Arona Rodriguez's hearings. As for the nightclub, this is the only criminal case publicly available right now that has any ties to the April 27th raid. The district attorney's office in El Paso County confirmed no cases have been referred to their office in connection to the operation. The Department of Homeland Security confirmed 104 undocumented immigrants from 9 different countries were ultimately detained during the bust. They are awaiting removal proceedings. The agency also confirmed cocaine, a drug called 2C, meth, and 12 firearms were found at the scene. We are still pressing DHS for more details on the undocumented immigrants.
And as for Arona Rodriguez, he is scheduled for another hearing on May 15th at 10 o'clock in the morning. Then a judge will decide whether he will remain in the Jefferson County Jail or if they can work out some sort of release conditions.
And Natalie, the defense is arguing that Arona Rodriguez is not a danger to the public and will keep showing up for hearings even if he is released. So why is the judge hesitant to do that?
Well, the prosecutor really doubled down on the idea that if he would be released, that he would be released back into the same circumstances as before when he was arrested. The defense, though, they really tried painting this picture that this man is 27 years old. He is a member of the United States Army with no real criminal record beyond just a driving citation that he received and took care of, and that he just got married at the start of this month. So he's now a stepfather to 2 kids. She also emphasized that these are really the lowest level of drug charges that she has seen in a federal court. I mean, it's not typical to see this low amount of drugs being cited as a reason in a complaint to arrest someone and put them into federal court. So, but the prosecution really doubled down that they were citing that it didn't matter at the time, right? All of these conditions, that he was asked by his commanding officers to no longer work at these nightclubs and do security there, and that the family has alleged ties to this nightclub. So the judge really wants to see what other options there are for his release, like possibly living on base or a halfway house, you guys. But we'll just have to wait and see what the judge decides next week.
And this case is going to be under a lot of scrutiny right now, considering the operation around it.
Yeah, massive.
Natalie Chuck reporting for us in studio tonight. Natalie, thank you.